Welcome to eiwayshop, your go-to destination for all things beauty and style. Today, we're diving into the timeless world of hair fashion with our guide to 10 hairstyles that will never go out of style. Whether you're looking for inspiration for your next salon visit or simply curious about iconic hairdos, you've come to the right place. Let's jump in. 1. The bob, a timeless favorite. The bob hairstyle exudes elegance and sophistication. Whether you opt for a sleek chin-length bob or a tousled, shoulder-length style, this versatile haircut flatters all face shapes and hair types. 2. The ponytail. Simple yet chic, the ponytail is a go-to hairstyle for any occasion. Whether you wear it high or low or textured, the ponytail adds instant polish to any look and keeps your hair out of your face with ease. 3. The French twist. Effortlessly elegant, the French twist is a classic updo that never fails to impress. Perfect for weddings, parties, or a night out on the town, this sophisticated hairstyle exudes timeless glamour and sophistication. 4. The pixie cut. Short, sassy, and stylish, the pixie cut is a bold choice that never goes out of style. Whether you opt for a cropped, edgy style or a soft, feminine look, the pixie cut is sure to turn heads and make a statement wherever you go. 5. The beach waves. Effortlessly chic and endlessly versatile, beach waves are a perennial favorite among fashionistas. Whether you achieve them with a curling iron or embrace your natural texture, beach waves add a touch of laid-back glamour to any look. 6. The braided crown. Romantic and whimsical, the braided crown is a bohemian-inspired hairstyle that never fails to make a statement. Perfect for weddings, festivals, or any special occasion, this ethereal hairstyle adds a touch of fairy tale charm to your look. 7. The top knot. Sleek, stylish, and effortlessly chic, the top knot is a go-to hairstyle for busy days when you want to look polished with minimal effort. Whether you wear it sleek and smooth or messy and textured, the top knot is a versatile option that works for any hair length or texture. 8. The side braid. Whether you opt for a fishtail braid, a Dutch braid, or a classic 3-strand braid, the side braid is a versatile hairstyle that adds instant charm and femininity to any look. Perfect for both casual and formal occasions, the side braid is a timeless favorite that never goes out of style. 9. The sleek ponytail. Sleek, sophisticated, and oh so chic, the sleek ponytail is a classic hairstyle that exudes confidence and style. Whether you wear it high or low, straight or with a slight wave, the sleek ponytail is a versatile option that works for any occasion. Oh, the old Hollywood glamour waves, inspired by the timeless beauty of Hollywood icons like Marilyn Monroe and Audrey Hepburn, old Hollywood glamour waves are a classic hairstyle that never fails to make a statement. Perfect for red carpet events, weddings, or any special occasion, these glamorous waves exude timeless elegance and sophistication. There you have it, 10 hairstyles that will never go out of style. Whether you prefer short and sassy or long and glamorous, there's a timeless hairstyle here for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to eiwayshop for more beauty and fashion inspiration. Which hairstyle is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.